Hey, what if I told you that you could create and launch your very own online course without spending a single dollar? No expensive platforms, no hidden fees, no tech headaches. Just you, your knowledge, and a simple system to share it with the world. Sounds impossible? It's not. Here's the truth. Most people who dream of teaching online get stuck before they even start. Platforms like Teachable or Kajabi can cost over $100 a month. For someone just starting out, that price tag is enough to kill the dream before it even begins. But what if there was a way to create your online course completely free? That's exactly where System.io comes in. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you design, host, and sell your course without paying a cent. On their forever free plan, you can upload your lessons, organize them into modules, add videos, PDFs, quizzes, and then give your students instant access. Here's the part most people don't realize. With System.io, you don't need hosting, complicated coding, or even a separate membership site. It's all built in. You simply drag, drop, and launch your course. Imagine this. You've got knowledge in fitness, photography, business, or even cooking. Instead of keeping it locked away, you package it into a course, set up your course pages, and start enrolling students without ever touching your wallet. And when a student signs up, System.io even takes care of payments and delivery automatically. And it doesn't stop there. You can also build an email list, set up marketing funnels, and send unlimited emails, all from the same dashboard. So you're not just creating a course, you're building an entire business around it. Now here's the exciting part. I've linked a step-by-step tutorial that shows you exactly how to create your first course in System.io. You can find it right here in the info card or down in the description. So here's the choice. Keep dreaming about launching your course someday, or take the first step and do it today for free. Click the link, watch the tutorial, and start building your online course with System.io. The world is waiting for what you have to teach.